Hey yo everyone, this is Middleton Town Center, and today they've got the Christmas lights on today. So we just come around to have a look, see what we can see here. The different kind of stalls selling all sort of things. So just gonna see what's happening. Different kind of stalls here. Hey yo everybody, it's everything with Abbey, Middleton Town Center. Shockwave. And then there's someone singing.
In a short while, but just to let you know, we have something fantastic for you today. We have got some refreshments that are just now open for you. They are free. They're provided by Middleton, all the Middleton Rotary Club, just over to the left-hand side there. The round table, you have got them supplying the mince pies, the cakes, hot Vimto. We've got mulled wine, so please do head over to them. They are serving from now, so get yourself nice and warm. Keep yourself, refreshed and well fed.
Everybody, that's Santa, the Middleton Town Center. Santa Claus is come to town. Hey, this is where we got the free refreshments. Let's see what we can get. Some mince pies, some cup of tea, cup of coffee. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't want those, but maybe some cup of tea. Hot wine. It goes like amount of alcohol. Nathan, hold up. Good stuff. I commend the Middleton Metropolitan Council for this. What's it called? A Grinch.
We'll get Ronaldo.
Oh, she's got a kind, eh? Oh, beautiful. She's got a little ride, which is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, amazing. The Middleton Christmas lights. Hello everybody, this is the Shockwave. I got my babies with me. I could have gone on. I mean, why not? I think I'm gonna come another day. I don't know. I keep missing out a lot of fun activity because I got my babies with me. But then here, beautiful. And that's another one there. I don't know what's there, but after I visualize these, I'm gonna go around there and there's fish and chips for you to munch on. It's beautiful. Give it up to the Middleton Town Center, the council, for organizing these, putting these Christmas lights. I mean, it's beautiful, man. I love it. That's me kid. Wondering, trying to figure it out. Oh yeah, so this is the way the Middleton Town Center, the Middleton Council starts up the Christmas mood. Christmas 2023 at Middleton Town Center, and there's a lot of interesting things to see, view, eat, and relax, and usher in the Christmas. Yay! That's my boy. Beautiful. Most of the games are £3 per person. You get on the slide, you get on this play area where my boy is at presently. Most of them are £3. Just come, have your fun with good music, good food, and voila! This looks quite interesting. It's something I'd love to get on, but I got a kids. Nice. Yeah, mommy's mommy enjoying herself outside. You were not told about it, so yeah. Baby girl lifestyle, taking my kids on the adventure, exploring, enjoying childhood, and what's not. That's the son. Mama is standing by with the little one because Mama is Mama. If you're enjoying the whole that I've been showing you so far on this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment to let YouTube be helping this my video to grow. This is my small channel. This is my baby channel. If you're here and you're watching to this time right now, kindly subscribe. You know, it helps my channel to grow. Other parts. And then there's the bull. It's gonna like signal the hand of everything. My boy on the train. It's gonna go on a train ride with some other people. Wow, the train is going. Alrighty, that's another £3 ride, and it's about 2 minutes. So yeah, all of them are averaging £3 each. So whichever you fancy, cool. This is how I'm having the fun. From the back stage. So lovers of everything love you. You've enjoyed this channel so far and you want me to bring you some more of this kind of stuff, kindly subscribe, like, repost, share, send a friend to a friend. Help this channel to grow real good, okay? So it's the Middleton Town Center, and take a look at that fountain. It's beautiful, innovative. It's beautiful. It's so cool. What did you say?
And it's like you can fit a boat and it can go around.
You can put a boat and it can go around?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So no one has a boat? Are you sure no one has a boat?
Yeah.
This is some cool stuff. The costume is mad. Do you see them? The costume is mad. They look so tall. Cool costume. I couldn't resist this one. I took a picture with them. It's gonna be posted. Look at it. This is everything we love. It's signing out of Middleton Town Centre now. Although I still got an hour of car parking, but I mean we've had our fun from about 2:25 that I've been here. So kindly repost, share and like this video to help my channel grow.